Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Samsung Pay Pro tips step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your Samsung device is charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Settings app on your Samsung device. Scroll down and select Biometrics and Security. Tap on Follow the on-screen instructions to set up Samsung Pay. Next, you will need to add a payment method. Tap on Add Payment Method. Choose between adding a credit or debit card. Scan your card using the camera or enter the details manually. Make sure to input your name, card number, expiration date, and security code. Read and accept the terms and conditions. Now, verify your card through your bank, if necessary. You may receive a verification code via SMS or email. Input the verification code when prompted. Once verified, your card will be added to Samsung Pay. You can add multiple cards by repeating the previous steps. To make payments, unlock your device and swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Select the card you wish to use for payment. If using biometric security, authenticate using your fingerprint or face recognition. Hold your phone near the payment terminal to complete the transaction. Ensure that NFC is enabled in your device settings for contactless payments. For added security, consider setting up a payment PIN. Explore additional features, such as rewards programs and offers. Regularly check for updates to keep Samsung Pay running smoothly. If you encounter issues, refer to the Samsung Pay support page for assistance. Now you're ready to enjoy the convenience of Samsung Pay for your transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.